So we're off to my listing that I just got a full price on at $750. If I got a full offer, why am I showing it? Because who knows what kind of stunt the other realtor is going to pull at the inspection. I'm going to show it, do what I got to do for my client, show it 3 more times, let you guys know how it goes, and y'all get to check out my new listing. Let's get it. Imagine having 20 seconds to call the owner when the alarm's going off. Hey, Doug, what's the alarm code? All right, I got it. On the, all right, I got it. Do it again. Got it.
Okay. I'll probably be calling me in a minute.
All right, just tell them I say hi. So that happens, man. It's a high stress situation. How did I get this listing? Shout out to my best friend, Oren Chin, Miami ball legend. Appreciate you, buddy. He got me this listing and I made him look good too. So appreciate you, Oren.
Round 1, fight.
All right, so showing one was a complete waste of time. A lot of times you got a investor that comes in and they're like, I'm a cash buyer, I'm ready to make moves and blah, blah, blah. They're ready to find a real estate agent that doesn't have that high integrity so they can drop the price down to as low as possible so they can get a deal. As soon as that dude found out we had an offer on this house, he was out of here.
Round 2, fight.
Hey guys. So the second person that came to look at the house absolutely loved it. And she was telling me she's got 3 more houses to look at, but she didn't show up with an agent. But then she tells me that her agent decided not to come today and she's got 3 more appointments. You don't want to be that agent, because even if they put in a full price offer, I don't know how the agent doesn't realize that I'm going to remember that. And we already have a full price offer, so...
Final round, fight.
Fight! Hey guys. As far as the third person that showed up, loved it. It was a father and son. They showed up on time. They asked the right questions. And I possibly might be getting an offering.